So hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we will cover how we can set up the Jenkins on the EC2 instance which we have created in the previous video. So here is the agenda for this video session. First, how to set up the Jenkins on the EC2 instance we will see. Then how we can set up the JDK version that we will cover in this video. We will set up the EPL packages. What are the EPL packages and why we need the EPL packages, and what is the Amazon Linux extras. So that we will understand in this video session one by one. Okay. After that you will come to know all these things. Okay. Now we are going to switch to this machine. So this is our Linux machine. Okay, and this is our instance which is running. The demo VM Jenkins machine is there. I have connected this VM machine through the mobile external SSH session. Now install the Jenkins. First we need to install the JDK, and on top of we need to install the EPL packages for that. To install the Jenkins we will go to the Jenkins official website. So Jenkins free download. So here we are on the Jenkins version, so you can go to the Jenkins download and the deployment, and under that one we will see the stable version is there and the regular and the weekly releases are there. So now here under the downloading Jenkins sections we will go to the download Jenkins. This is the stable version we want to download, and here Docker, Ubuntu, Windows, OpenSUSE. So it will provide for all the operating system the steps how we can set up the Jenkins on the machine. So CentOS, Fedora and Red Hat, these steps we will use to set up the Jenkins on the Linux machine. It will be the same. So first, to use the repository, run the following command. So first what we will do, sudo wget, and we need to run this one. So first I am going to select this one, copy, and then you can run. Now you can see this is connected, so wget is successful for that. Then second is that rpm import this package. So I'm going to copy and run this package. Okay, so these packages are installed. Now what is the next step? So here we need to install the OpenJDK first. So for that I'm going to run the one command yum install font config java 11 OpenJDK. So let's run. Anyway, it's not going to install on this machine, so let's run and see the output. It is saying the package is available, installing this font config, and it's downloaded the package, but the OpenJDK is available in the Amazon Linux extra topic. So Amazon Linux machine we are using, and this is having itself is the package. In that package we can found the OpenJDK. So it is saying that your dependency is installed. Okay, and to install the Java 11 OpenJDK, that is available at the Amazon Linux extra. So to run this one, what we need to do, we need to use this command sudo Amazon Linux extra install Java OpenJDK 11 version. Now let's go and check this package. So for that I'm going to copy this one and run this package. Now you can see this package we have some files. So one is the Java OpenJDK. This is that we want to install, and along with that we need to install the EPL packages. So EPL packages is required so that we can install the Jenkins on this Linux server. So here you can see the EPL is there. So that package we need to install. Now come down and let's see. Now to install the EPL packages, what is the process for that? After that you can type the install and then EPL. It's going to install the EPL packages on this machine. Okay, now this is installed successfully. Now you can see this EPL latest is enabled on this machine. Okay, now we want to install the Java OpenJDK, so you can copy this one, and again you can go to the same command and remove this EPL and then right click. Then it will install the OpenJDK 11 on this Linux machine. Okay, so OpenJDK latest is enabled on this machine. So let's see the Java version. So it is saying OpenJDK runtime environment Red Hat 11 and build number 11 is installed on this machine. So OpenJDK is installed on this machine. Okay, now we can install the Jenkins on this server. So for that, what command we can use? If you don't know, you can go to the Jenkins installation site and you can see the yum install Jenkins. So you can copy this command, come to your terminal and paste it here and then enter. Press Y and enter. Now this is going to install the Jenkins server on this machine. Now you can see the Jenkins installation is completed on this machine. Now how we can know that Jenkins is started or no? So for that, what we need to do, we need to check the status of the Jenkins. For the command is service Jenkins status. So you can see the Jenkins is in disabled mode. Now how to start the Jenkins? In that conditions, what you can do, you cannot access the Jenkins through the 808 port number. Jenkins is the continuous integration server that is configured on this Linux machine. Now we want to start this Jenkins machine on this server. So how we can do that? So again, you can type the same command Jenkins service Jenkins and you just say start. Now it's going to start the Jenkins on this Linux machine. Okay, so starting the Jenkins. So now when you see this OK button in the green, that means the Jenkins is going to start. Now how to access the Jenkins over the web UI? So for that, I'm going to switch to my browser. Okay, and in that browser, what I'm going to do, I want to access this public address. So through that I can access the Jenkins server. Now copy this one and go to your new tab and provide the IP address for. Then this and 8080. Now enter. So when you first time going to log into the Jenkins, it will ask to unlock the Jenkins and the initial admin password is there. So what we need to do, we need to fetch the initial admin password. That where we can get it. First you can copy this path and go to your Jenkins server and there on the server we want to check the what is the initial password in this file. So for that, the cat command we will use. So you type the cat command and paste the address and this will give me the password in this file. So what I'm going to do, just copy this password and I'm going to paste it here. Now click on the continue button. These are the customized Jenkins. You can install some suggested plugin here or you can select the plugins later point of view whenever you require. So we will do the later. As of now, we are going to close this one. Now your Jenkins is ready. Now start the Jenkins using. Okay, so what we have covered in this video, we have set up the Jenkins on the EC2 instance. We install the JDK version, we install the EPL packages and Amazon Linux Extras is a package or the directory where we can get the JDK, Maven, Tomcat, whatever required file we want to install on this machine, we can get through that packages.